What's up, people? My name's Corbin Quiet, and right now, me and my family are at Ijams Nature Center. We're gonna be taking a walk, doing a few hikes, and I'll be documenting some stuff.
Oh wow, okay. It's gonna document a purple flower. Now, is this called the Barney flower?
Roar!
Oh, a purple clover. Interesting name.
No, I wrote a question mark because I'm not sure if it is.
I got you. So you cannot eat that, even though it looks delicious.
Highly unlikely.
Gotcha. Okay.
Yeah, we found it!
Oh my goodness, what is that?
It's your mom.
No, it's not.
No.
My mom didn't come with us.
It's a star. Look, Corbin. It's actually a star. Bam, 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 bam.
So Corbin, tell me about this flower. Can you eat it?
No, it is not edible.
It's not edible. How can you tell just by looking at
Yeah,
it?
Corbin.
Don't eat it. I would take that out of. What do you think? You could get sick and die. What are you thinking?
I ate a flower.
So how can you tell that you can't eat it, Corbin?
I'm supposed to be a cool guy. I'm Coyote Peters.
Not.
Okay, we're not going to get a response on that.
It's most plants and things out in the wilderness are not edible. And if you eat them, they can make you sick or even kill you.
Oh man, good response. Folks, you all need to listen.
Folks, dying leaf.
You all need to listen to Stingray Phoenix. He's very knowledgeable on that science and nature. Not that, and he's very humble. Hold on, he's found something. He's documenting it. It looks like a tobacco leaf.
I know.
Oh, okay.
No, I'm documenting this. It's basically just a giant leaf. But it's... Oh, Corbin, feel this. It's got like... Oh my gosh, it's slimy! Feel it!
Slimy.
Yeah, Corbin, feel it.
This is science, folks.
That is slimy.
Oh, you should document that.
What?
Giant leaf, slimy.
No, not that. This.
Oh, this?
Is that this?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Is that the same thing as that?
Yeah, this is just an older piece.
So that one's yellow because it's older? Like, is it like the older brother?
Are you gonna skip through some of this?
Like, skip through the...
Hold on. He found something. Let's see what he found. Okay. Okay. Now introduce your associate.
This is my brother Caden. He has a channel, and really, I record the videos. Like and subscribe to the video.
Let's get in here and see what this is.
I don't really know what the name of this plant
Is that a Gallimimus? Oh.
The Gallimimus is a long-necked dinosaur.
Yeah.
Oh! So it's not a flower.
No.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Well, you're documenting the flower right now, right?
Right now I'm just gonna write it down in my notebook. Handwriting.
So what are you calling it? The pink flower.
I'm just gonna call it a pink flower. Because
Okay,
I
that
don't really
sounds
know what it is.
scientific. Okay.
Kid-
Are you gonna draw a
kid-
picture of it now? Is that how you document?
Yeah, but I have bad drawing.
No,
But I
no,
don't.
you have good drawing. Let me look at that. Oh. So that's the pink flower, and there it is. I mean, look at that. That's pretty close. Yeah. Awesome. Nice. Let's go find more stuff. Wait, what was that?
Seagrass.
See, what about the seagrass? Tell us.
Really, the seagrass is, well, it's seagrass. It's
Seagrass. Okay.
Basically,
Is that like the famous guy, Ryan Seagrass?
no,
No. Okay.
it's just seagrass. I found 3 clumps of it, and I had one. But then, and my lame dad over there told me that I couldn't keep it.
Oh, is he really lame?
Sometimes.
Gotcha.
Other times he's awesome.
So he's awesome sometimes and lame sometimes.
Yeah, Dad, you're awesome sometimes.
Nothing in there. Guys, up ahead, it's the deadly dangerous swaying bridge. We got to be very careful when crossing, okay? No, look at it. It's dangerous. Dangerous up there. Oh my goodness. What'd you find? What is it? What is it?
Pokey thing.
A pokey thing?
Yeah.
Let's document it. Let's get it on camera.
Alright. Documentary!
Documentary?
Yep.
I don't think that's what it means.
We're documenting a leaf. I'm looking at through my skin.
That's pretty good. Corbin, are you a scientist? Okay.
Dog!
What is that?
I
What is
don't
it?
know. No,
What
but
is it?
these look pretty cool though.
I think those are turtle leaves.
Turtle
They
leaves.
look like turtle shells.
They look like giant. They look like giant papers.
Giant what?
Take
Hold
off
on
your
to
hat.
this.
Chris, take off your hat real quick. Just real quick.
I can't. My hat has to stay on.
We're losing them. Hey, cool. Are we on this place?
This is the best trail here.
Can I sit out with Good.
Corbin,
That looks like a dog.
Corbin,
Like a bean hat. And
Corbin, what are you here for?
I just came here because Dad wanted to, and to document some of the plants and
What do you plan on seeing while you're here?
maybe a few salamanders.
Okay.
Maybe poison ivy.
Poison ivy. Ooh.
I hope you get drafted.
Trees and plants, trail element, zip line. Oh, zip line.
Kelly, I love those jeans on you.
Me too.